Dear students, hope you all are okay. So welcome to my class. Here your Priyanka Miss is with you once again. So as we were actually dealing with EFT, English for today, and we were going through from the very first unit. As we all know that NCTIB has decided to give us a very minimized syllabus for the next 30 days. So according to that syllabus, we have to go through from the very first unit. That means we have to start with the first one. And on the earlier class, we already had gone through the first unit, naming attention please. So according to that syllabus, we have to submit our assignment. On the basis of that assignment, the assessment process will go on. So that's why we would surely try to be attentive in our class, and of course as we have to submit our assignment, so we should be very careful about the assignments that are given after the class. Okay? So here I would like to ask you to have your English for Today book with you so that we can follow the book properly. Okay? As you know, English for Today is all about your textbook. So that's why when we are going through our main text, that means we must have English for Today book with us. Okay? So from this book, I would like to request you to open Unit 3 and it's page number 16. Okay? Unit 3, it's page number 16. Okay? So without delaying furthermore, let us go through the text. Okay, one more thing I should tell you that Unit 2 will be on the next class, as our special assignments are on Unit 3, and I mean especially on Flora's first day at school and prize giving ceremony. So that's why we should go with, I mean for now we should go start from Unit 3. It's what are friends for. Okay, so please go through the page what are friends for. So here our lesson number 1 from this unit is prize giving day at school. What is it? Prize giving day at school. Here some of the keywords are given like eminent, outstanding, performance. We all know the meaning of the words. Eminent means prominent, outstanding means excellent, performance means the work or the activities that you go through. Okay. So who can you see in the picture? Here you can see a teacher or a woman. She is giving something to the children. Okay, so it looks like that she is handing over some prizes to the children, isn't it? So what are they doing? They are basically they are enjoying a prize giving day. So read the activity B is about read the text about a prize giving ceremony. Okay, so I would like to ask you to go with the book, and Miss will read the lines out line by line, of course with chronological way, and I also expect you to do the same. Okay, so Farabi is Flora's best friend. They live in the same area. Also, they are both in class 7, but they go to different schools. So basically, Farabi and Flora's, they are friends, and Farabi is Flora's best friend. So they live in the same locality, and they also read in the same class. But though they are read in the same class, but they are basically from different schools. Okay, not all of your cousins or all of your friends from the same locality go to the same school. Okay, so that's also what the same about Farabi and Flora. It is a school holiday. Flora has come to visit Farabi. They are talking. Flora wants to know about the prize giving ceremony of Farabi's school. So here, when you also meet your friend from the same locality, then of course you have some sort of conversation about your school classmates, teachers, etc. So here, when Farabi met Flora, he was all. I mean, they were talking and they wanted to know about the prize giving ceremony of Farabi's school. Yesterday was our school prize giving day, Farabi says. On this occasion, our school auditorium and its dais were brightly decorated. Yesterday was our school prize giving day. So Farabi is saying that yesterday was there was a function in their school and it was prize giving day, and their auditorium and the dais were brightly decorated. Prizes were also needed displayed on a separate table on the dais. All the students were present at the function. Among others, the guardians, some eminent persons of the locality attended the function. Farabi continues, the principal of PN College was the chief guest. So in our school also we invite many prominent or eminent persons to handling over the prizes among the students. So that's what actually about. So it's also same case with all of us. We also invite some of the prominent person when it is about a special day in our institution. So when did the function start? Flora asked. Now Flora is asking to Farabi that the schedule of the function. So it started on time, just at 4 p.m. Farabi says. Our head teacher first read out the annual report. Then the chief guest gave a short speech. He highly praised the overall performance of the school and its excellent JSC and SSC exam results. Then he gave away the prizes among the students for their outstanding activities. So see, not only the sports persons or the children who get the prizes for sports, but also the students also get the prizes for their brilliant success. Okay. So did you get any prize, Farabi? Flora inquires. So yes, I did. Farabi replies, I have got 2 prizes. One for regular attendance and the other for good results in the last year ending exam. As I told you that not only the students are given the prizes only for their performance in the sports, but also the students who achieve the best number, who scores the best, and who attend the classes on a regular basis, they are also awarded in any ceremony, especially in prize giving day at school. Okay, so that was basically a story or a passage based on prize giving day at school, especially on Farabi's school. So that's all in this lesson 1. So we should go with our next lesson, and at page number 19, and the lesson is named Flora's First Day at School 1. It is Flora's first day at School 1. So here again some of the keywords are given on the top of the page. The first one is recall. The first one is recall. Recall means to remember. Okay, to remind something, to call in mind something. Add means to sum up. That means count. And chat means have a conversation, have a very friendly or warming conversation or discussion. Okay. So in this modern world, chatting is chatting is not a different word that you haven't ever heard. So I think it's the most common word in this today's era. if you are quite familiar with the social sites and social medias. So we till now we have seen some of the words that are really very new to us, but I think except the word chat. So okay, moving on, our next activity, it's next activity number A, talk about the picture and read the story. Here we can see two people, they are sitting on a couch and they are talking to each other. One is male and another one is female. So to say from this picture we can sense the male is Farabi and the girl is who? She is Flora. Okay. See from the title we can also sense the name of this girl. It's Flora's first day at school. So it is none other than Flora. Okay, now start reading with me. Next week Farabi comes to visit Flora in her house. Okay, now Farabi came to Flora's house. They are having a chat. Can you remember your first day at school, Flora? Farabi asked. So Farabi is basically inquiring about her first day at school. Oh yes, I can, Flora says. I can recall exactly what happened. Would you like to hear it? I would love to, says Farabi. Please tell me. When you are saying something with full enthusiasm to someone, of course the listener would be happy and the listener would be excited to listen. So that's also the same with Farabi. So okay, says Flora. It was 2006. I was then 6 years old. One day my mother said, Flora, you are going to start your new school tomorrow. I was very excited. I couldn't think of anything else. I was always thinking about the school, the teachers and the students of our school. I couldn't even sleep well that night. Of course, when something is very new to us, when it is okay, apart from going to a new school, wherever it is, if it is a new place or if it is somewhere that we really want to explore, then our enjoys knows no bound. That is what happening with Flora. She was really very excited to know that she is going to a new school from tomorrow. So she didn't have a sound sleep as she was full of excitement. So the next morning, my mother woke me up early in the morning. I had a bath and put on my best clothes. So as she was going to a new school, so she must be in her school attire, in her school dress. So then I had breakfast and started for the school with my mother. The school wasn't very far from our home, so we walked all the way. Many of us also walk to our way, I mean the way to our school, as our school is very near to our home. So here she is actually describing her experience about first day at school. So the experience that she is sharing here is the same with us also. We were also excited just before the day the day before the first day at our school, and of course the same maybe happened to with us, that we were also taken by our parents to our school, as it is a very new place to us. Okay, so that we might not be frightened or we might not fear to the new people or new place. Okay, so that was our lesson 1 and lesson 2 from unit number 3. The first one was prize giving day, and it is now the first one was prize giving ceremony at school, and now second one is Flora's first day at school. So according to NCTF, you have to submit an assignment within 7th November. So I have the topics for each. Let us have a look. It's assignment. Here you can see here 2 assignments. Number 1, read the lessons on Flora's first day at school, page 19 to 21, and write a paragraph on your first day at school. And you already did it but in the classroom, but now once again you have to make it out as NCTF has asked to you do so. Okay, so your first day at school, now write a letter with own words to your friend Shakil or Shakila. If it is girl, then you can write Shakila, and if it is a boy, to whom you are writing, then you can address him as Shakil, who studies at X Jila School in another district, describing a prize giving ceremony in which you received a prize at your school. That means you have to share an experience of having prize at your prize giving ceremony at your school. Okay, about a prize giving ceremony at your school where you at least got a prize. Okay, so these two topics would be counted as assignment number 1. Okay, though these are the two different topics, but you have to count it as one assignment. Okay, in one assignment you have to you have to include two of the topics. Okay, let me tell you one thing, that please don't be panicked about that how it gonna be. It's very simple. In your class you have done a lot of assignments, especially in my class, so it's nothing new for you and it's nothing difficult for you. Okay, my dears, I hope you will make it out. Just you have to put your name, class, roll number at the very front side, front page of the assignment, and make sure your ideas are clear. Make sure you write it your own way. Okay, as always you do. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. We will meet very soon on the next class. Till then, stay well. And thank you for joining the class.